Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, we'll be learning lesson 2 of Noorani Qaida. This lesson is very beneficial for those who want to teach their children or learn the correct pronunciation of the Arabic alphabet. So let's get started. Jim, ba. Jim, da. Jim, da. Jim, sa. Jim, sa. Jim, lam. Jim, lam. Jim, seen. Jim, seen. Jim, sheen. Jim, sheen. Jim, sod. Jim, sod. Jim, zod. Jim, zod. Jim, doll. Jim, doll. Jim, zol. Jim, zol. Ha, ha, ba. Ha, da. Ha, da. Ha, ba. Ha, ba. Ha, da. Ha, lam. Ka, lam. Ha, lam. Ha, lam. Ha, sheen. Ha, sheen. Jim, sheen. Jim, sheen. Ha, seen. Ha, seen. Ha, doll. Ha, doll. Seen, ba. Seen, ba. Seen, lam. Seen, lam. Seen, noon. Seen, noon. Seen, sod. Seen, sod. Seen, doll. Seen, doll. Sheen, doll. Sheen, doll. Sheen, zol. Sheen, zol. Sheen, sa. Sheen, sa. Sheen, sod. Sheen, sod. Sheen, zod. Sheen, zod. Jazakallah khair for watching this lesson. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future lessons. If you would like your children to learn Noorani Qaida with me personally, feel free to contact Instagram. See you in the next lesson, inshallah.